Hi guys, so moving on to the next session. These are two questions, pretty important. Now, first line, gas star x is equal to Yash means what? Let's suppose this is a string, Yash, and string ends with a null. Let's suppose the base address is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you write gas star x is equal to Yash means your x is a pointer which points to the base address of the string, Yash. Now n is equal to string length of x. So what is the string length? 1, 2, 3, 4. String length do not take into account your null character, right? So n value is 4, right? Now next thing, what are you doing? You're writing star of x is equal to x4. So what is x4? x0. This is your x0. x1, x2, x3, x4. x4 is null, and that null you're assigning to x star. So x4 is null, that null you're assigning to x star, means this y change to your null character, right? Now for I equals to 0, I less than equal to 4. I equals to 0, I less than equal to 4, condition is true. You are printing printf percentage comma x, right? So your x is pointing at what? 1. See, above this there is a null. So I told you so many times कि जहाँ पे पॉइंटर पॉइंट करता है वहां से लेके एंड तक पूरी स्ट्रिंग प्रिंट होती है जब तक कि नल नहीं आता. लेकिन अगर इसी एड्रेस के ऊपर नल है तो कुछ नहीं प्रिंट होता. ब्लैंक स्क्रीन, इट विल प्रिंट नल, कुछ नहीं प्रिंट. Now x plus plus, now x moves to what? Address number 2. So now I, the value of I becomes 1. So 1 less than equal to 4. Your condition is true. Now again you will print x. So x is pointing at 2. So it will print ash, right? And pointer moves to 3 address, and the value of I becomes 2. So 2 less than equal to 4. Your condition is true. Again if you print what? You print x, and because your pointer has moved to now third address location, so it will print sh, and x plus plus pointer moves to 4. Now 3 less than equal to 4, your condition is true. Again you are printing x, x is pointing at 4. So what it will do this time? It will print what? H, and pointer moves to what? Null. So 4 less than equal to 4, your condition is true. So again it will print x, means a null statement. Then your pointer moves to next address location 6. But by the meanwhile, this I becomes what? 5. So 5 less than equal to 4, your condition becomes false, and you will come out of the loop. So this is the answer. Fine, pretty easy. Now moving on to the next question. In I you have declared an array having element 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let's suppose the base set is 100. This is 104, 108, 112, and 116. So this is your A. This is your A0, A1, A2, A3, and A4. Right? Now, what you are passing? You are passing change A, 5. So A is what? A is nothing but your base address of your 0th element of the array, and that A you are storing in a pointer variable B. So when you write int star B is equal to A, means you have a pointer int star B, and that B is equal to what? A. It means your pointer B is also pointing to the base address 100. Fine. Now I is equal to 0, 0 less than, and what is the value of n? 5. So 0 less than 5, your condition is true. So what you are doing? You are writing star B plus 0 is equal to star B plus 0 plus 5. So B is pointing at what? 100, 100 plus 0, it will remain at 100. Star of this is 2, so 2 plus 5 is 7. This becomes 2 plus 5 is 7, and that 7 you are assigning it to star B plus 0. So this 2 you are replacing it with 7 now, right? Again your loop runs, the value of I becomes what? 1 this time. So star B plus 1 is equal to star B plus 1 plus 5. So your pointer was pointing at B this plus 1, you move to the next address 104. Star of 104 is 4. So 4 plus 5 is 9, that 9 you are assigning to star B plus 1. So this becomes your 9. So next time, this becomes your 9. So what we are doing, we are adding 5 to each array element. So if we add 5, this becomes 11. We add 5, this becomes 13. If we add 5, then this becomes 15. So basically you are changing the actual array data, and that can only be possible when there is a call by reference. Had it been called by value, if you have passed the value A0, then only that particular, if you have passed A0, nothing would have happened, right? Because you are storing this to a normal variable, not a pointer variable. But this is called by reference. You are passing the address, and with the help of pointer you are changing the actual data. So this is the main difference between call by value and call by reference. In call by value, we pass the value, we work on the copy of the data, and the actual data remains unaffected. But when you use call by reference, you are basically changing the actual data and you are using the pointers, right? So the actual data of the array has been changed to 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Now when the control goes back to main, so you are printing I equals to 0, 0 less than equal to 4, you are printing A0. A0 has been changed to 7. So the answer is 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. A0, A1, A2, A3, A4. And when the value of I becomes 5, 5 less than equal to 4, your condition becomes false and you will come out of the loop, right? Thank you guys, take care, bye.